Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. When disaster strikes or you're off the grid, staying powered is crucial. The best emergency solar charger ensures your devices stay charged anytime, anywhere, offering reliable solar energy, durability, and compact design, perfect for outdoor adventures and unexpected emergencies. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MARBERO Solar Charger. The MARBERO Solar Charger is a highly efficient, compact, and versatile portable power station designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. With its included adapter, it can charge from 0 to 80% in just 2 hours, while simultaneously supplying power to other devices, functioning almost like a meaty charging hub. When paired with MARBERO's dedicated 30-watt or 60-watt solar panels, it ensures continuous and efficient solar-powered charging, making it an ideal choice for camping, backyard activities, road trips, or even home and office use. The device is remarkably portable, measuring only 6.5 by 4.6 by 3.1 inches and weighing 3.2 pounds, housed in a durable, lightweight plastic case with an ergonomic handle for easy carrying. Equipped with 8 outlet ports, the MARBERO charger can power multiple devices at once. The USB and USB-C PD ports quickly charge phones, tablets, and laptops, while the AC outputs handle small home appliances like TVs, projectors, and game consoles. For car owners, the DC output supports fridges, air compressors, and vacuum cleaners, making it a versatile companion for road trips. The device also features a multi-level flashlight with an SOS mode, offering up to 68 hours of illumination on the first level and 37 hours on the third level, perfect for emergencies or nighttime activities. Safety is paramount with MARBERO's Integrated Battery Management System, BMS, which monitors voltage, temperature, and overall system safety.
Number 2. Anker SOLIX Solar Charger. The Anker SOLIX Solar Charger delivers an exceptional balance of portability, power, and durability, making it ideal for outdoor adventurers and those seeking a reliable emergency power source. Designed to pair seamlessly with Anker solar panels, it provides 300 watts of continuous power and a 288 watt-hour capacity, capable of charging multiple devices quickly and efficiently. 2 powerful 140-watt USB-C ports support fast charging, ensuring your laptop, phone, or tablet is ready for use in minimal time. The LFI P04 battery provides long-lasting performance paired with smart temperature control and an impact-resistant design, giving users confidence in its durability and reliability for years. Compact and lightweight, the charger is about 30% smaller than comparable portable power stations, with an optional strap for easy carrying. Versatility is key with 7 charging ports, including 2 USB-A, 3 USB-C, and a car socket, allowing multiple devices to be powered simultaneously. Solar panels of 60 or 100 watt enable clean and sustainable charging during outdoor adventures or emergencies, while dual PD 3.1 USB-C ports facilitate rapid recharge to 80% in just an hour. Whether you're on a hiking trip, camping in the wilderness, or navigating unexpected power outages, the Anker SOLIX ensures uninterrupted access to power. Its robust construction, ease of use, and compatibility with multiple charging sources make it one of the most dependable solar chargers on the market today. The combination of speed, capacity, and rugged design make it a perfect choice for anyone who wants a portable solar charger they can truly rely on in everyday use or survival situations. Number 3. The QAUYYW Solar Charger. The QAUYYW Solar Charger is a robust emergency tool combining a high-capacity 20,000 mAh battery with NOAA weather radio functionality to keep users connected and prepared during critical situations. This hand-crank, solar-powered radio is designed for power outages, storms, and other emergencies, offering up to 35 hours of continuous playtime on medium volume and up to 50 hours of reading light. The extended 52cm antenna enhances signal reception, ensuring continuous access to broadcasts when it matters most.
Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry while hiking, trekking, or navigating challenging terrain. Combining solar and manual hand crank power, the QAUYYW charger provides a self-sustaining energy solution, eliminating dependence on conventional electricity. Its compactness, extended battery life, emergency radio features, and multifunctional lighting make it one of the most versatile solar chargers for survival situations. Whether for hiking, camping, or disaster preparedness, this device balances portability, functionality, and reliability, giving users a dependable companion for any outdoor adventure or emergency scenario. It is particularly valuable for individuals who prioritize communication, safety, and readiness, providing peace of mind with its multiple charging options and emergency alerts.
Number 4. BLAVOR Solar Charger. The BLAVOR Solar Charger is a versatile and adventure-ready power solution that combines high-capacity charging with multiple convenient features for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. With a 20,000 mAh battery, it supports simultaneous charging for up to 6 devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable devices. Built-in cables, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and 1 iOS cable, plus additional USB-A, USB-C, and wireless charging options ensure total flexibility, allowing users to power devices without carrying extra cables. Beyond its charging capabilities, BLAVOR delivers practical tools to improve outdoor safety and convenience, consolidating multiple utilities into a single compact device. For anyone seeking a multifunctional, reliable solar charger with robust power, fast charging, and added survival tools, the BLAVOR Solar Charger offers a unique combination of performance, durability, and practicality.
Number 5. GOODaaa Solar Charger. The GOODaaa Solar Charger is an all-in-one emergency power solution designed to keep users connected, illuminated, and informed during outdoor adventures or power outages. Its 45,800 mAh li-polymer battery provides multiple charges for smartphones, tablets, and other devices, supporting simultaneous charging for up to 5 devices through its USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charging ports. The GOODaaa Solar Charger can be recharged via a wall adapter or solar power, offering sustainable energy options for long trips or emergency scenarios. Safety is a priority, with an intelligent IC chip providing overcharge, short circuit, and temperature protection, guaranteeing secure and reliable operation. Its durable design ensures longevity and consistent performance under demanding conditions. Whether you're heading into the wilderness, preparing for unexpected power outages, or simply need reliable portable energy, these top solar chargers have you covered. With high-capacity batteries, fast charging, multiple device support, and emergency features like flashlights and radios, they ensure you stay powered, safe, and connected anywhere. Choose the one that fits your adventures and peace of mind perfectly.